So once you're in Illustrator, click Create New. Then on the right side, you can go all the way down to the bottom and click More Settings. I already have the settings preloaded, but let's go over that. Go ahead and give it a name and set the artboards to 2. Don't worry about spacing or columns. And once you get to the units, make sure they are in inches. And then set the width to 3.5 inches and the height to 2 inches. Bleed will initially be at 0, but then just click the top arrow to change it to 0.125 inches. And then make sure your color mode is CMYK. And once that's all done, click Create Document. Once you're here, click on the rectangle tool, or M, and then make a rectangle roughly the size of the business card, and then change the dimensions to 0.25 less than the original dimensions, so make sure it is unlinked. So 3.25 and 1.75. Then once you're done, you're going to align it perfectly with the alignment tools. Then you're going to hold Option and drag the rectangle to the other artboard. Then once that's done, hold Shift and select both the rectangles. And then right click and then click Create Guides. The guides will help you format for printing. Now your business card template should be ready.